In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Adobe Sign web form. By the end, you'll know how to turn a regular document into a shareable form that anyone can fill out and sign from a link or your website. First, sign in to Adobe Acrobat Sign. From the home page, head to the eSign section. Look for the option labeled Create a Web Form or sometimes Publish a Web Form. This opens the tool where your web form will live. If your interface looks slightly different, don't worry. Adobe occasionally updates labels, but the flow is the same. Next, upload your document and give your web form a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. Click Add Files or simply drag and drop your file, PDF, Word, or another supported format. This file becomes the base of your form, so it's best to use a clean, finalized document with consistent formatting. Think of it as the canvas on which you'll place all the fields. Now set up who will interact with the form by choosing participant roles. A signer will fill out and sign. An approver reviews and approves without signing. A form filler enters data but may not sign. An acceptor acknowledges the form. CC recipients simply receive notifications and copies. If another person needs to sign after the initial submission, you can add countersigners to complete the process. Keep the roles aligned with your real-world workflow so the right people are prompted at the right time. Click Next or Preview and add fields to open the editor. Here, drag and drop the fields you need, such as signature fields, text boxes, checkboxes, date fields, and email fields. Place each field exactly where users should enter information or sign. Label your fields clearly, and where appropriate, mark them as required so nothing important gets missed. Take a moment to align fields neatly for a professional look and a smoother user experience. When everything looks good, click Save or Create. Adobe Sign will instantly generate a public URL you can share, as well as an embed code if you want to place the form directly on your website. You can send the link in an email, post it on a page, or embed it so users can complete it without leaving your site. Anyone with the link can open, fill, and sign the form online. After someone submits the form, Adobe Sign creates a new agreement for that submission. All participants receive copies of the signed document automatically. To monitor activity, go to Manage and then Web Forms to see submissions and track status. That's all you need to publish a polished, reliable Adobe Sign web form.